Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, my name is Yvonne, and on this channel I post all things hair tutorials, hair inspirations, so make sure that the girlies don't say they don't know what hairstyle to make next. Getting right into this hairstyle, we are going to be making micro twists. I've waited to try out human hair extension for micro twist, and I'm excited to be using the best human hair extension to achieve this hairstyle. This hair extension is tangle free and is also tension free, so you don't feel your hair breaking off from your scalp. Let me show you the hair extension I'm going to be using.
This is the Afro Kinky bulk human hair from Hotbraids.
It's really beautiful. It also came with a gift box and a bag. I'm going to be showing you the content of everything here. The box contains some combs and brushes that will come in really handy when installing hairstyles. There's also some hair clips inside. So thoughtful. Then the bag is basically a tote bag. Best part is this is going to serve as a salon tote bag. Your hair extension, your snacks, your books, your laptop, and all of that. This is so lovely and functional. And for the most important item here, the hair extension. Let me show you the content. This is 20 inches of 100% Remy virgin human hair. Already you can see that it is quite full, so it's not scanty. I got 5 packs because I want to use it to create full micro twist. The packaging is top notch. The hair extension itself is lightweight, and this is color 1B in case you're wondering. This color is perfect if you're going for a natural look. Look at how soft the texture of this hair is. Promises to be lightweight, which it is. Be soft and durable, so I cannot wait to try it out and show you what the hair extension looks like in micro twists. Let's go make it already. Hi guys, And welcome back to my YouTube channel. While I was at the salon, I got a ton of compliments and questions. People were asking me what type of hair extension I used, where I got it from, and some other questions. And because you are my loyal subscriber or viewer, I am going to be giving you all the important information that you need to achieve beautiful looking micro twists. The first thing you need to know is the type of hair extension that I used. And this is Afro Kinky bulk human hair, which I've gotten from Hotbraids. I've used 3.5 out of 5 packs that I had, and each of the pack weighs 50 grams, which means I used about 170, 175 grams in total. The length of the hair I used is 20 inches, but it runs from 8 inches up to 22 inches. So depending on the kind of style you're trying to achieve, you can get whichever length would be more suitable. I use color 1B, which is a really natural looking color. It also comes in other colors, which you can purchase from this brand's website, hotbraids.com. You can get it in burgundy, gold, or you can just get it in natural black, which is color 1B. You should know that this product is reusable. So when I'm taking it down, I can combine it with the 1.5 that I have left to make a different size or a different length or even the same style. If you're wondering how long I had to sit down to achieve this hairstyle, it took 8 long hours. I sat down for about 7 hours, 30 minutes. I had like a 30 minutes break or so when I went to get food. And the person that was braiding had an assistant, or rather, the assistant was helped by the owner of the store to braid the hair, and they did a good job. And she was faster than I thought she was going to be, because the last time I installed micro twist, it took me 2 days. So I can't even say anything about it taking so long because I know I've sat down for much longer. Just to repeat, this is the Afro Kinky bulk human hair, and I have used it to achieve micro twists. Before installation, I knew that they make really good hair extensions, but I was not even prepared for how soft and fluffy and bouncy these twists look right now. They also look really natural, which is key when it comes to micro twists. It gets even prettier when it gets older, so there's really nothing to complain about. My emphasis really is on how lightweight it is, because I've installed micro twists before and I've also installed other twist related hairstyles. I'm not kidding when I say it feels like there's nothing on your hair. It feels like there's nothing on my hair, and this is already 170 something grams. Imagine. I know for a fact that if I have 170 grams of synthetic Afro Kinky bulk, I would definitely feel the weight. In case you're wondering whether this is the only product that this brand has, that's not true. This product is one of the human hair extensions that they sell. They also have human hair braiding extensions, and they also have spring twists. So you can use the human hair braiding extension, which they have for your boho hairstyles, and you can also use spring twist to achieve this hairstyle depending on what kind of look, fullness that you're going for. If you're looking to shop any product from them, check out their website, hotbraids.com. I'm going to leave more information in the description box. You saw what they did when they were installing the hair, or after they had installed the hair. They applied water to make the curls come to life. So when you are installing this hair or you're looking to maintain it, you can use leave-in conditioner and water, and it's going to look as good as new every time. As full as this is, it's so lightweight that you can pack it all in one hand. Like, you don't know what it means to be able to put all of your hair in one bun with ease. That shows how lightweight this hair is, and there's literally nothing like this. Should you be going for a bun, you can put all your hair up and then use a band to secure it in a bun. Now your bun can look different every time. You can have your bun look like this. You can also have it look like this, which is much neater. You can also go ahead to bring out some pieces of the hair in order to just give it a more playful look, like this. You can tuck this back in. You can bring out a few at the back. And this is one way to style your hair. This is another simple way to style your hair in a simple bun, which you take to the back. I love the way it forms this heart shape at the back of your hair. It is good for any occasion, and you're going to look nice and cute. Now, if you're going for something more easy, more mature, you can just take some of it to the side, like a side pattern, and then just take this part to the back. I feel like this is what micro twist was made for. This is like the style that this is the reason micro twist exists. For you to just put your hair like this, run your finger through your hair, and just call it a day. So tell me, between this one, the half up, half down, the sleek back, or the high bun, which of these styles do you prefer? Which of these styles would you be putting your hair in? And don't be one of those people that keep their hair in one style for all the duration that they carry the hair. Don't do that. We don't do that over here. Instead, try to play around with scarves, play around with headbands. These are all the different ways. You can even use claw clips. These are the different ways you can enjoy your really versatile micro twist. Check out my channel for videos on styling your braids, on styling your twists. I have a couple of them. I will link one in this video. Watch it and learn how to style your hair so that your hair just doesn't start looking rough in your eyes or old or tired and you're thinking of what should I install next. No, when you make this, you can carry this for as long as possible because it's a very durable, long-lasting hairstyle. I'm grateful to you guys for watching my video up until this point. I'm grateful to Hotbraids for sponsoring this video and giving us the amazing hair extension that we use to achieve this hairstyle that's already getting me compliments and that is bound to get you a lot of compliments. I'm grateful to my old subscribers for supporting me, for watching all my videos and leaving comments, and I'm grateful to you who is going to be a new subscriber at the end of this video. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, do that already. Thanks for watching. Bye.